Before using Tagetik, we were using HFM. It was more manual, and the project allowed us to review how to work within our process. So it was the great opportunity for us to review this process and to move forward with best quality, better deadlines. We have many challenges in the consolidation, and what is really likable with Tagetik is that you have a lot of liberty to act, and you can change the things easily, and it's easy to work with. So this is a very good benefit from Tagetik. In less than 1 year we managed to implement Tagetik, and for me the way you monitor a good project is the time, is the quality, and is people happy. And I would say that during this project it was difficult, sure, but these 3 criteria was met, so it was a real success. With the new CCH Tagetik, we managed to be more modern in the terms of we're doing less manual work. Before we were more uploading manually all the files. Tagetik project was also implemented with a bigger project, implementation of SAP. And then now it's much more automatized. I will recommend CCH Tagetik to someone else who wants to use consolidation. We are really happy with these tools.